Hey everybody, I want to read you a story I found by Kevin Henkes, one of my favorites, A Parade of Elephants. Doesn't that sound like fun? Boom, 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 boom. A parade of elephants. Look at them. There they are, on parade. Look, elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 elephants. 5 elephants marching. Boom, 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 boom. A parade of elephants. Big and round they are. Big and round they go. Up and down. Over and under. In and out. They march and they march and they march. Bum, 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 bum. They march all day. Bum, bum, bum. And when the day is done, they are done too. They yawn and stretch. They stretch and they yawn. But before they sleep, they lift their trunks and they trumpet, scattering stars across the sky. Good night. That was A Parade of Elephants by Kevin Henkes. Thanks for reading with me.